Good morning. It is Tuesday morning, October 22. It's 6 days after my surgery. And again, because I don't do this all the time, I have been talking about 5 minutes and it wasn't recording. So here we go. Take two. So anyway, I was saying earlier, my pain control yesterday was better, and the amount of pain has gone down compared to the pain that I had Saturday and Sunday, especially Sunday night. That was really the most pain that I've had since Wednesday surgery. I was not able to sleep well last night, even though I took my sleeping aid. It's just a melatonin. It's a natural thing. Nothing. What do you call this? Prescription medication. But I was still very much awake until about 3 or 4 in the morning. So although I think I might have napped, but then I woke up because I had to go to the bathroom, and then I'm awake after that. That was, I think, one of my problem is I would fall asleep, but then if I have to wake up or something for whatever reason, it's hard for me to go back to sleep. Sometimes I go, it's not a problem. But last night, I had to wait until I get sleepy again. And so I didn't get up my usual 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock a.m. I got up like a little bit over past 9. And my pain level was good, in the morning. Even though I took my last pain meds like around 11 p.m. the night before, last night. So that's a pretty good length of time to control that. And that was just one pain medication. I didn't have to take the Zofran because I was going to go to sleep. I just, kind of lay still, close my eyes every now and then. If I get sleepy, I will, go to sleep and stuff like that. But that didn't come right away last night. My sister's gonna come today to help me with the shower, and then tomorrow I will start my physical therapy. I spoke with my doctor, his medical assistant, yesterday over the phone, and I told her about my concerns about the surgical incision here on my where they repair the biceps, and I said that the incision, the skin didn't look like it's well approximated the way they put it together. The upper part seemed to be a little bit more bumpy and irregular on the edges, where they meet, or the other half is a clean line where it is well approximated and close like that. So the other half seems to be a little bit more bumpy, and it seems like it's, I don't know if it got pulled apart at some point, and now it's also healing. But I don't think it was the original closure when, after the surgery. So I'll let them see it because I don't want to have an infection, and make sure that it is okay. I do have my follow-up appointment with my doctor, with my surgeon next week, but just in case, I wanted to see this first because that's still about a week away from today. And like I said, I do have 4 arthroscopic. I thought there was only 3, so I have 1 here. There's 1, 2, 3, and then there's another one right here. There's like 4 little stitches or opening with stair strips. I'll show you one. It's right there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4. They're very small. Oh my God, they hurt. Like I could feel my bone, where the pain in my bone. You can tell where they worked on you. It's very tender, when I was, in pain. And every now and then I was still, throughout the day yesterday, I would still feel like on and off where it will throb and starts aching, like piercing kind of pain. It lasts for a few minutes, once I kind of like just do this, just I just do that, and then I put my ice pack on it. Then it helps. It helps with the pain without really taking any pain medication. And it's getting better. The intensity and the interval of when it comes up, those sudden kind of like spikes of pain has gotten longer in between. So that is an improvement. As far as my sling, I have gotten better in maneuvering it. Sometimes Jayala will help me just, hand me over the belt around me, and then helping me with this piece where I put my arm in it, this little arm piece here. She helps me with that. And then this one, when I go to bed, I usually adjust this. I loosen it up a little bit so that when I lay down, I don't feel like I'm so constricted. But when I'm up, I put it a little bit higher, so then it has more support and it has an L shape right here. And when I go to bed also, I loosen up the belt part here so that I don't feel so constricted in bed. So I just loosen it up a little bit, give it a little bit more slack. It doesn't move because I'm laying on it, but it doesn't give me that like you have a belt, constricting. It's not so constricting when you're attempting to adjust your shirt and your position in bed. And like I said, that reclining bed really helps. So I sleep with my head at least about maybe 30 degrees up, somewhere there. And so this is always in this kind of position. I didn't get a recliner. I think it's the bed that moves up and down is a lot better because it's a real bed, and you could also sit there like like a chair if you want to, but I don't stay there during the day, only at night. So I really wanted to have just a regular couch, like what I have, and that way I will get up and walk, because that's what I need. Other than that, it is actually better today. I woke up like, oh my god, the pain is not so bad. Like it's very tolerable, very slight, and it's kind of less stiff, the muscles, but tomorrow when I start therapy, I am looking forward to it because I really want to move more, but I know I'm going to be sore after. I know that I would need ice, heat pack, medication afterwards, and we'll see. It's gonna be. I am looking forward to it, and yet I am kind of dreading like how much pain will I have when they start working on this arm. But it is what it is. So help me God. Right now, that's it for now, and I will update again later. Thanks for all your prayers. You all have a good day. Just a little update for the day 6. I finally showered. Finally happened. It feels good to have running water, and it feels good to dangle my arm for while I'm taking the shower. It's really good. My sister helped me, so I had to wait a little bit. I've been just doing SpongeBob bath, but because they don't want my incision to get wet right away while it's fresh. So it's been you could actually take a shower on the 3rd day, but it was the weekend, and I wanted to wait because I was concerned about that one incision on the upper arm, like by my axilla. So I want to make sure that it is okay to get wet because I feel like it has to heat, but apparently, hopefully it didn't, because it's already done. I already had showered, and it really feels good. Yep, thank you, sis. I put on my moisturizer and lotion, and everything smells good. Tomorrow I go to my therapy for the first time. So I'm gonna put my hair products and dry my hair. See you later. Thank you. Thank you, God. Level up.